Well, hello everyone, this is Victoria Lowe, better known as Hairbyveelo, and thanks for stopping by my channel. If you're new, welcome, and if you're not new, thanks for stopping back by. Today I'm going to be doing a much anticipated video. You guys, I am finally putting up the DIY lace closure tutorial. In my last bob video, I did a Quickweave bob wig and I had a closure piece on it, and everyone was asking, where do you get that piece? How do I make that piece? And yes, you guys, I made it myself, and today I'm going to be showing you how you can make one too. Okay, so I'm going to remove the lace from the pack, and what I'm going to do is cut off a small rectangular piece along the edge. Next, I'm going to grab me a razor, a double-sided Dorco razor. Be very careful, guys, when doing this. And I'm going to take my hair and split the track in half. I'm only using half of this bundle to achieve this closure. Now I'm going to take a piece of the track and I'm going to go around the lace in a horseshoe pattern. And I'm going to be leaving half of an inch around the perimeter so that I can have enough room to sew my closure down. So now I'm going to take a piece of track, I'm going to put some glue on it, and I'm going to cut each track into small pieces, about half an inch in size, and I'm going to lay them right directly behind each other. This closure is very similar to the invisible part. The only difference is it's an invisible part on lace. Now you're going to do the same exact thing to the other side, lining the tracks directly behind one another. Now you're going to start laying your tracks in a circular motion. We don't want to leave the circle too big because we don't want our closure to be so obvious. We want it to be small enough to just stick the closure right on in. Now it's time to make the closure. We're going to take a piece of the track and we're going to start by rolling it as tight as possible into a circle. Make sure that the circle is not bigger than the circle on your closure. Now I'm going to take the metal piece of the comb and find the center of my closure and take my flat iron and press it flat. Now I'm going to take the little piece that we made and sit it in the center of our closure. Right here, I'm just putting some extra glue on the closure so that our tracks do not fall off. When doing this, be sure not to put any glue on the parting. And there you have it. We have now completed our own lace closure piece. Now it is time to construct our Quickweave wig. I say Quickweave wig because it's just like a quick weave. I put down a shower cap and now I'm putting on a mesh net and I'm gonna glue. It's a Quickweave wig, y'all. What you see me doing here is sewing our closure down all around the perimeter so that it doesn't come off the wig. So now I'm going to start placing the tracks on our wig. Track placement is very important because we want our wig to be full in certain areas and not as full in others. So I'm going to start placing the tracks up the back, straight across, leading up to the left hand side of the wig only. Right now you do not want to place tracks on the right hand side or the front of the wig. This is the section that's going to give us the body and the flare for the top and the front of our wig. So now you see me placing the tracks up the right hand side of our wig straight across, leading into a half shape L. Now that we're at the front of the wig, we're going to continue the L shape until closing. And there you have it. We have completed constructing our wig. Now it's time to pull the plastic out of the inside, place the wig back on the mannequin, and cut. Let's not forget to remove the netting behind the lace. Before I cut the hair, to get an accurate cut, I just want to go ahead and pull all of the waves out with my flat iron. So right here, what you see me doing is tweaking the closure. I'm using my big barrel curling iron to just flatten the closure as much as possible. I'm also using some Gots to Be Glued spray to get all of the flyaways intact and just smooth it out a little bit more. And also I'm going to be taking my middle rat tail comb, placing it over the part and getting some black hairspray to hide any other blemishes. That goes for any hairspray marks or any glue marks or any crazy anything like that. Now I'm establishing my guide in the back with my razor, and I'm cutting the bob at a 45-degree angle in the back. Now what you see me doing is cleaning up the bob with a clipper. For the front of the bob, I'm choosing to cut with shears because I want more fullness and weight. Now I'm going to go in with my flat iron and I'm just going to give the bob a slight bump along the back and the left side. Now I'm going to take a medium to large size flat iron and I'm going to start making a big C. And I'm also going to be directing the hair after I make the big C with my comb to the back. What this does is create layers. For extra volume and height and also just that extra curvature of the bangs, I want to go ahead and use my big barrel curling iron. I believe this is a 1.5 inch. So now I'm just combing the hair back and watching the layers fall so effortless and beautiful and feathery and flawless, all of the above. And then I'm going to take my comb, take some Gots to Be Glued spray and set it into place. You know, whatever your desired look is. After you get that, set it in place with the spray, and voila, we have our DIY lace closure bob wig, quick weave. When I think of bobs, I think of sexy, ladylike, dainty, flirty, effortless, oh my gosh, all of the above. But I would really like to take this time out to thank each and every one of you for viewing my tutorial. If you would like to purchase this bob, the link will be in the description box below. If you're in the Atlanta area and would like to book an appointment with me, that will be on the same link as the link that you would purchase a wig. That will also be in the description box below. If you're on Instagram, please follow me at Hairbyveelo. And thanks again, you guys, for watching. I love you. Bye.